Thanks to Pass for Future, in the last 2 years, 6 partners from Albania, Montenegro and Italy had the opportunity to discuss about real challenges and common problems related to tourism offer of the cross-border area.
We found out the best solutions together, taking advantage of the cross-border cooperation. We empowered local systems to be visible but also internally diverse and capable of producing new destinations, specialized and differentiated products, integrated and customized services for the tourist, but particularly for those with special needs. Now we all know that together we can achieve more long-lasting results.
Mass tourism mostly centered on coastal areas during the summer months with a lot rate of innovation and adaptability of the supply may attract less popular locations such as internal areas or rural areas, where the level of integration between the natural resource, environment, landscape, intangible and cultural heritage, and approach to product innovation in hardly established.
A common lack of services that make the vacation accessible for everyone, especially for people with temporary or permanent special needs. Lack of innovation of tourism products and structure, as well as weak specialization and differentiation of products in the region.
The general objective of this project is to promote and strengthen the accessible and sustainable tourism offer of the cross-border area at a European and international level through the implementation and diversification of the tourist products or services in the target area.
The project main objectives are to create a cross-border, accessible and sustainable community tourist destination through the diversification and innovation of tourism products and services in the target areas, to internationally develop and improve the image of the cross-border, accessible and sustainable community tourist destination, characterizing it as a smart and accessible tourist destination, to increase the revenue from tourist flows in the target areas, and particularly the revenue from the people with special needs, to improve the skills and raise awareness among tour operators and service providers of the cross-border, accessible and sustainable community tourist destination with regard to tourists with special needs.
Creation of a cross-border network for accessible and sustainable tourism, a strategic action plan for the improvement of the cross-border, accessible and sustainable tourism. Establishment of cross-border destination management organization for accessible and sustainable tourism.
Improving skills of public and private stakeholders in the tourism field of the target areas with regard to accessibility and sustainability, also through the transfer of specific know-how related to the reception of travelers with special needs. Construction of 5 valorized sites of people with special needs.
The way that Pass for Future addressed all these problems was fast and gave some important answers to these problems. I'll be more concrete in what the help was. The creation of an app that had part of it all these areas, and this app was wonderful because it made all these areas easily accessible in the web.
Cross-border cooperation enables partners and stakeholders in the target areas to achieve a number of goals. Connect the four sub-regional local hospitality system into a single cross-border community tourist destination. Convey a unified image of the area as a sustainable and accessible community tourist destination, able to offer personalized services to tourists with special needs at an international level. Enhance and promote the territory's natural and cultural heritage in a systemic way.